everybody, Brian from Khaki Shorts. Today I'm going to show you about one of our favorite topics, and that is money, the Thai Baht. Now, if you've never been to Thailand, you've probably never seen these, but they're all different colors, all different sizes, and hang around, we're going to show you all of them and what they're worth.
This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense.
If you've never been to Thailand, you're probably curious about the cash here. Well, let's start with coins, and then we'll move up to bills. The smallest coin we usually see is the 1/2 baht. Its color is similar to a US penny and it's worth about 1.5 cents US. Next up is a 1 baht coin, silver in color and slightly bigger than the 1/2 baht. This coin is worth about 3 cents US. The 2 baht coin is also copper colored but a bit darker than the 1/2 baht. These are worth about 6 US cents. The 5 baht coin gets a bit more use than the previous ones. It's worth about 15 US cents. The 10 baht coin is very distinctive and easy to spot with its gold colored center and silver outer ring. The 10 baht coin is valued at about 30 US cents. When stacking these coins up, you will see that they get bigger in size, with the 1/2 baht being the smallest and the 10 baht being the largest. Coins come in handy, especially when paying for snacks at the convenience store or inexpensive meals at street vendors and small restaurants. Next up are the bills. All the bills in Thailand are made of polymer instead of paper, so it won't matter if they get wet. It's pretty handy in a tropical environment. The 20 baht bills get a lot of use. It's green in color and worth about 60 US cents. Next denomination is the 50 baht bill. These are blue and are valued at around $1.50 US. Perfect for buying a bowl of noodles or fried rice at a street vendor. The 100 baht bill gets lots of use, as its value is about $3 US. Not exactly sure what to call this color. Pink, orange. I think the official color is actually red. It is close in color to the 1,000 baht note, so make sure to always check the amount in the bottom corners to make sure you have the right one. Easy to spot with its light purple color, the 500 baht note does not get as much use as a 100 or the 1,000 baht notes, but they are still seen quite often. These are worth about $15 US. Last up is the 1,000 baht note. A little lighter in color than the 100 baht bills, but bigger in size. The official color is brown. If you get a large sum of money exchanged from your home country, the bulk of it will be in 1,000 baht notes. These are valued at about $30 US. This is a newer note, but there are also older notes like this one still in circulation that has the former king's portrait on the front instead of the current king. All coins and bills will have a portrait of the king on the front. One thing I really like about the currency here is each denomination has its own color and size. 20 baht bills are the smallest, and they get longer in size as they work their way up to 1,000. As of now, the 1,000 baht bill is the largest denomination in circulation. Thanks everybody for coming along about our favorite topic, money. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about our life here in Thailand and our trips around the world.